I will talk about industry. Welcome to my A to Z GK channel. Let's talk about industry. Father of Indian industry Jamsetji Tata. Father of Indian industry Jamsetji Tata. First Minister of Commerce and Industry of Independent India Syama Prasad Mukherjee. First Minister of Commerce and Industry of Independent India Syama Prasad Mukherjee. First plant industrial city of India, Jamshedpur. First plant industrial city of India, Jamshedpur. The zone which encourages export says special economic zone. The zone which encourages exports special economic zone says. First special economic zone in India was established as Kandla. First special economic zone in India was established at Kandla. First Indian modern cotton mill was established in 1854 at Mumbai. First Indian modern cotton mill was established in 1854 at Mumbai. Highest exporting material in India, textile materials. Highest exporting material in India, textile materials. Highest importing material in India, crude oil. Highest importing material in India is crude oil. Foreign investment to India is mainly from Mauritius. Foreign investment to India is mainly from Mauritius. Cotton textiles. Oldest industry in India is cotton textile industry. Oldest industry in India is cotton textile industry. First Indian cotton cloth was established in 1818 at Fort Gloucester near Kolkata. First Indian cotton cloth mill was established in 1818 at Fort Gloucester near Kolkata. Largest producer of cotton in the world, China. Largest producer of cotton in the world is China. Second largest producer of cotton in the world, India. Second largest producer of cotton in the world, India. Largest producer of cotton in India, Gujarat. Largest producer of cotton in India is Gujarat. The state having most number of cotton mills, Maharashtra. The state having most number of cotton mills, Maharashtra. First cotton mill, Fort Gloucester. First cotton mill, Fort Gloucester. First cement factory, Chennai. First cement factory, Chennai. First newsprint factory, Nepanagar. First newsprint factory, Nepanagar. First paper mill, Shirampur. First paper mill, Shirampur. First jute mill, Risra. First jute mill, Risra. The Indian port which leads in the exporting of cotton. The Indian port which leads in the exporting of cotton, Mumbai. The Indian port which leads in the exporting of textiles. In case of cotton, it will be Mumbai, and in case of textiles, it will be Kandla. The scheme was started on April 1, 1991 related with textile industry, TUFS, TUFS, Technology Upgradation Fund Scheme. Technology Upgradation Fund Scheme, TUFS, 1991, and the scheme which was started on April. It was related to textile industry. The next, jute industry. Largest producer of jute in the world is India. Largest producer of jute in the world is India. Jute is also known as golden fiber. Jute is also known as golden fiber. ওয়েভার সিটি বলা হয় পানিপত। ওয়েভার সিটিজ is known as Panipat is known as ওয়েভার cities. হরিয়ানা। ওয়েভার city of Kolkata, বলরামপুরম। ওয়েভার cities of Kolkata, সরি, ম্যানচেস্টার অফ ইন্ডিয়া, এটা হবে না। ম্যানচেস্টার অফ ইন্ডিয়া আহমেদাবাদ গুজরাট, ম্যানচেস্টার অফ ইন্ডিয়া আহমেদাবাদ গুজরাট, ম্যানচেস্টার অফ নর্থ ইন্ডিয়া কানপুর, ম্যানচেস্টার অফ নর্থ ইন্ডিয়া কানপুর উত্তরপ্রদেশ, ম্যানচেস্টার অফ সাউথ ইন্ডিয়া কোয়েম্বাটুর তামিলনাড়ু, ম্যানচেস্টার অফ সাউথ ইন্ডিয়া কোয়েম্বাটুর তামিলনাড়ু, ম্যানচেস্টার অফ ইস্ট ওসাকা জাপান, ম্যানচেস্টার অফ ইস্ট ওসাকা জাপান, ম্যানচেস্টার অফ ইস্ট ওসাকা জাপান। লার্জেস্ট জুট প্রডিউসিং স্টেট ইন ইন্ডিয়া ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল, লার্জেস্ট জুট প্রডিউসিং স্টেট ইন ইন্ডিয়া ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল। সেকেন্ড লার্জেস্ট জুট প্রডিউসিং স্টেট অন্ধ্রপ্রদেশ, সেকেন্ড লার্জেস্ট জুট প্রডিউসিং স্টেট অন্ধ্রপ্রদেশ। লার্জেস্ট প্রডিউসার অ্যান্ড এক্সপোর্টার অফ জুট ইন দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড বাংলাদেশ, লার্জেস্ট প্রডিউসার অ্যান্ড এক্সপোর্টার অফ jute in the world Bangladesh. The Indian port which leads in the exporting of jute Kolkata, the Indian port which leads in exporting of jute Kolkata. Wool industry, the position of India in wool industry is 7. The position of India in wool industry 7. Modern wool industry was begun at Lal Imli near Kanpur 1876. Modern wool industry was begun at Lal Imli near Kanpur 1876. The institution which encourages wool industry in India, the Wool and Woolen Export Promotion Councils. The institution which encourages wool industry in India, the Wool and Woolers Export Promotion Councils. The Indian state which leads in wool industry Punjab. The Indian state which leads in wool industry is Punjab. Major centers of wool industry is Punjab. Major center of wool products in Punjab is Dariwala and Ludhiana. Ludhiana and Dariwala is major industry of wool products in Punjab. Silk industry. Leading producer of silk industry in the world is China. Leading producer of silk in the world is China. The position of India in silk industry is 2. The position of India in silk industry is 2. First silk factory in India was started at Howrah. First silk factory in India was started at Howrah. Silk factory first in India, Howrah of West Bengal. Largest producer of silk in India, Karnataka. Largest producer of silk in India is Karnataka. First silk factory in India is Howrah. Products largest exporting ports: cotton Mumbai, jute Kolkata, cotton Mumbai, jute Kolkata, textiles Kandla, iron ore Marmagaon. Cotton Mumbai, jute Kolkata, textile Kandla, textile Kandala, iron ore Marmagaon, iron ore Marmagaon. Next, paper industry. First paper mill was started in India, Srirampur. First paper mill was started in India, Srirampur. Largest producer of paper in India, Maharashtra. Largest producer of paper in India, Maharashtra. State having most number of paper mills, Uttar Pradesh. State having most number of paper mills, Uttar Pradesh. Largest, in case of largest producer of paper in the world, then USA. In case of largest producer of paper in the world, then USA. State having most number of paper mill, Uttar Pradesh. State having the most number of paper mills, Uttar Pradesh. But state having the most producing states of India is highest rubber producing state in India, then Kerala. Hindustan Paper Corporation came into being on 1970. Hindustan Paper Corporation came into being on 1970. Largest paper mill in India, Ballarpur, Maharashtra. Largest paper mill in India, Ballarpur, Maharashtra. National newsprint and paper mills is situated in Nepanagar. National newsprint and paper mills is situated in Nepanagar, Madhya Pradesh. National newsprints and paper mills is situated in Nepanagar, Madhya Pradesh. Oil refinery. Oldest oil refinery in India is Digboi, Assam. Oldest oil refinery in India was Digboi, Assam. Oldest oil refinery in Asia, Digboi also. Barauni oil refinery is situated in Bihar. Barauni oil refinery is situated in Bihar. Kuali oil refinery is situated in Gujarat. Barauni oil refinery, Bihar. Kuali oil refinery, Gujarat. First public sector refinery of India, Guwahati refinery. First public sector refinery of India, Guwahati refinery. Ankleshwar, Lunech, Kuali are major oil fields in Gujarat. Ankleshwar, Lunech, Kuali are major oil fields in Gujarat. The oil refinery known as foundation of prosperity, Ankleshwar. The oil refinery known as foundation of prosperity, Ankleshwar. The person who called Ankleshwar oil fields as fountain of prosperity, Jawaharlal Nehru. The person who called Ankleshwar oil field as fountain of prosperity, Jawaharlal Nehru. Major offshore oil fields in India, Mumbai High Basin and Aliabed. Mumbai High Basin and Aliabed. Major offshore oil fields in India, Mumbai High Basins and Aliabed. Largest oil fields in India, Mumbai High. Largest oil fields in India, Mumbai High. Largest oil refinery in India, Jamnagar refinery. Largest oil fields in India, Mumbai High. Oil fields, Mumbai High. The largest oil refinery, Jamnagar refinery. The largest oil refinery in India, Jamnagar refinery. Jamnagar refinery is owned and operated by Reliance Industry. Jamnagar refinery is owned and operated by Reliance Industry. Headquarter of Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, ONGC, is at Dehradun. Headquarter of Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited is at Dehradun. Headquarters of Oil and Natural Gas Corporation of India Limited, ONGC, is Dehradun. The state with highest deposits of natural gas, Andhra Pradesh. The state with highest deposits of natural gas, Andhra Pradesh. The state with highest deposits of natural gas, Andhra Pradesh. The oil refinery in Kerala, darkar nei. Iron and steel industry. Next, India's first iron and steel industry was established on experiment at Porto Nova, Tamil Nadu, 1830. Iron and steel industry. India's first iron and steel factory was established on experiment at Porto Nova, Tamil Nadu, 1830. India's first iron and steel factory was established at Kulti, West Bengal, 1870. India's first iron and steel factory was established at Kulti, West Bengal, 1870. India's first iron and steel industry was established at Kulti, West Bengal, 1870. Tata Iron and Steel Company বা TISCO was established at Jamshedpur. Tata Iron and Steel Company was established at Jamshedpur. Headquarter of TISCO, Mumbai. Headquarter of TISCO, Mumbai. The place known as the Steel City of India, Jamshedpur. The place known as the Steel City of India, Jamshedpur. The place known as the Pittsburgh of India, Jamshedpur. The place known as the Pittsburgh of India, Jamshedpur. Regulator of all iron and steel corporation in India, public sector, Steel Authority of India Limited. Steel Authority of India Limited. SAIL was started in 1954. SAIL was started in 1954. Headquarter of SAIL is New Delhi. Headquarter of SAIL is New Delhi. Largest iron and steel factory in India, Bokaro, Jharkhand. Largest iron and steel factory in India is Bokaro, Jharkhand. Largest iron and steel factory in India, Bokaro, Jharkhand. Brihadeshwar Visvesvaraya Iron and Steel Plant is located at Bhadravati in Karnataka. Visvesvaraya Iron and Steel Plant is located Bhadravati in Karnataka. Vijayanagar Steel Plant is located at Karnataka. Vijayanagar means Karnataka. The only steel plant which is located near the seashore is Visakhapatnam Steel Plant. The only steel plant which is located near the seashore, Visakhapatnam Steel Plant. The country which gave technical assistance to start Visakhapatnam Steel Plant, Russia. The country which gave technical assistance to start Visakhapatnam Steel Plant, Russia. Visakhapatnam, Russia collaboration. Steel Plant State Assistance Foundation founded in Rourkela, Odisha, Germany, 1959. Rourkela, Odisha, Germany, 1950. মানে steel plant, first steel plant, then state, then assistance, then founded in Rourkela, Odisha, Germany, 1959. Rourkela, Odisha, Germany, 1959. দুর্গাপুর ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল দুর্গাপুর ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল ব্রিটেন 1959. দুর্গাপুর ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল ব্রিটেন 1959. ভিলাই ছত্তিশগড় রাশিয়া 1959. ভিলাই ছত্তিশগড় রাশিয়া 1959. বোকারো ঝাড়খণ্ড রাশিয়া 1964. বোকারো ঝাড়খণ্ড রাশিয়া 1964. বোকারো ঝাড়খণ্ড রাশিয়া 1964. ফাদার অফ কোঅপারেটিভ মুভমেন্ট রবার্ট ওয়েন. ফাদার অফ কোঅপারেটিভ মুভমেন্ট রবার্ট ওয়েন. ফাদার অফ কোঅপারেটিভ মুভমেন্ট ইন ইন্ডিয়া নিকোলসন. তাহলে ফাদার অফ কোঅপারেটিভ মুভমেন্ট ইন দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড রবার্ট ওয়েন. ফাদার অফ কোঅপারেটিভ মুভমেন্ট ইন ইন্ডিয়া ফ্রেডেরিক নিকোলসন. ফ্রেডেরিক নিকোলসন. ক্যাজিও ইন্ডাস্ট্রি. The major industry which earns profitable foreign amounts in Kerala, cashew industry. Cashew capital of the world করলাম, দরকার নেই. ফিশারিজ শেষ, এখানেই শেষ করছি. থ্যাংক ইউ.